Okay. Okay. So as we meet first time, so shall we start with introduction, sir? May I know?
Yes, yes, of course, of course. So, shall I start my introduction first?
Yes.
Okay. So, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself in front of you. So, this is Rajiv Kumar in front of you, and I am connecting from Bihar. I am a farmer. I am also a tuition teacher. This is my short introduction. So, may I know something about yourself as a short introduction?
Definitely, Rajiv Kumar. So as you know, my name is Vijay Lakshmi till now, and by profession I am also teacher, and I was born and raised Rajasthan. And as you know, simple qualification for the teacher, I completed my BA degree from the Rajasthan University and master in English literature. And I blessed with a kid. So if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies gardening and reading books. These are my favorite hobbies. So that's all about me in a nutshell. So no, I am looking behind you a greenery and I think the mango trees. Oh, am I right?
Yes, yes, you are rightly saying that I am just standing on the linhe between the two lands and under that mango tree. And this time, spring season is going on, and mangoes has given flower. Means that it is not flower, but its name is different from the other flower. But it is a mango flower, and you can see if I turn my back camera, so you can watch this. Okay.
Yeah, it's a
Yes.
very beautiful
Yes. This
scenery.
flower is called Mangifera indica. Okay, but it is a flower, but this flower is called generally, scientific name of this flower of mango is called Mangifera indica.
Yeah, yeah, that's nice. You have a great knowledge.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so tell me about something. No, farming. So you also mentioned you are a farmer, and you, I think, you also mentioned your profiles farmhouse.
Yes, yes,
So
I have already listened in my ID, just RKR farmhouse.
yeah, yeah. So tell me something about your farm and your farmings. No,
Yes, because India is a country of agriculture, and 70% of the people of India are doing the job of agriculture. And agriculture is a very large scale sector. This is not a small sector. This is very large sector, and 70% of the people are doing job under this agriculture sector. And I can say that in national income means that in our DGP. GDP, gross domestic product, and national income, just our people and we are just increasing their income in order to national income.
yeah, yeah. So what did you do grow in your farms nowadays?
Yes, sir, because I am standing half a kilometer far from my home, and it is far from my home, but it is not very close to my home. But on the area and the land which is very far from my home, I am just cultivating, and I am just growing different kind of grains, just like wheat and I can say that paddy. And the area and the land which is very closer and very near to my home, no, so on that land I am producing different type of vegetables, just like cabbage, brinjal, potato, onion, capsicum, and different kind of vegetable, because in that area I can look after every times, so that I can see always which is very near to my home, and the place which is very far from my home, no, so it is not possible for a farmer to look after every times. And some other person will come, and they will pluck, and they will take away all the things. So theft is also available, no, if I will produce vegetable on the large area or on the land which is very far from my home, so it is not possible for us to produce vegetable on the land which is very far from my home.
Yes, people are making the theory and they can easily pluck what kind of the vegetable and fruit they find in any farms. They haven't any hesitation to plucking any flower and vegetables. They making theory. Yeah, I can easily understand. But I want to ask you nowadays, everybody is complaining about the farmer are using lot of pesticides, lot of the chemicals due to grow more and more harvest. So what is your opinion? Are they accused in a right manner and it's just a accuse?
Yes, yes, it is truly saying men are just. I am just taking an example. The person who is smoking and who is drinking, drinking wine. But why not? They are telling about that person. But if I will produce more and more grains, so they will just fingering out our farmer. Why they are telling? They are telling 100% rightly. They are telling. But I am just saying an example. I am a farmer. I am producing different kind of foods because of me and because of us farmer, means that the price of the commodity is decreasing. And when you will go to the market, and if any commodity will be less in amount in the market, means that I want to say that if any things, any vegetables will be very less, okay, in
In
commodity in the
low,
market.
low
Yes,
price in the
yes,
market.
yes, in the market, if any vegetable will be available very less in the market, so on that time the green grocer and the vendor will give you at the higher prices. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Farmer are
So
not getting the
yes,
exact price of their harvesting.
yes, and
The
every peoples, yes,
yeah,
yes, ma'am, and every peoples are willing to buy goods and willing to buy vegetables at the low rate prices. So when it is possible, only when it is possible, when I will produce more and more.
but
And
other
if
thing,
I will produce more and more, only when the price will be very less. The price of every vegetables in the market will be very less, and only then you will buy the goods, or you will buy the vegetables at the cheap rate. Only then possible. If I will not produce more and more, so how can it be possible? So in order to produce more and more grains, and in order to produce more and more vegetables in our ground and in our land, so I will have to pesticide, because if I will not spray poison, if I will not use pesticide or insecticide on the land, on the crops, so the insect will eat whole of the paddy and whole of the grains, whole of the vegetables. So so looking the condition of the market and seeing the situation of the market, I have to just spray out that poison. Okay, because so that the price of the any commodity will be very less. Otherwise, every time when you will go to the market, so you will have to buy all the vegetables at the high rate. Okay, you have also read about higher the price, lower the demand, and lower the price, higher the demand. This is a law of demand in the.
yeah, yes. I can easily understand, but other hand, if we talk about the fertilization of the land, I think the using the multiple pesticide and multiple chemicals, I think it's a decreasing the fertilization of the land, I think, and it's a surrounding polluted, and it's a cause of a no many of the disease, especially the cancer we heard about. So what is your opinion? So,
Yes, yes,
it's a
yes.
time
It
to
is.
use the use of the pesticide and chemicals. So I heard somewhere, I also watched some the when the season of the watermelons, people inject directly chemicals no in the fruit. So I think it's a not good thing. Are you?
Yes, yes. It is not a good thing. It is not good thing. You are truly saying that all person are complaining about the poison, people and farmer also using poison this day. I am also using poison. I am truly saying that in our lands I am using poison in order to remove the effect of insect, because if I will not spray poison, no, so insect will come, and they will breed a large number of they will give birth baby, because you have learned about a lot of things in the biology that insect is one cellular. Their body is made up of one cell, and the insect, the living things which is made up of one single cell, their body made of single cell can produce more and more and can give birth more and more babies. But we are not our body. Yes, our body is not made up of single cell. Our body is made up of multi cell, so we cannot produce and we cannot give birth more more baby, because because men give birth one baby within 1 years, but insect can give baby baby 1 lakh baby within a 1 minute. So
Can say the multiply in within the seconds.
yes, yes, yes.
Within the seconds. No, so we have to control. Yeah, it is true. We should control also. It's a genuine thing, but sometimes we heard and we watched also. We are witness to they are directly inject some chemical to the fruit, especially the watermelon. So it is, I think, sir, not good things, not for our environment, not for our health. So we should reduce these kind of the things. So
Yes,
you
yes,
are
yes.
farming and you have a fancy about, you are passionate about to learn this language. So I think both things are very opposite. How can you combine both things?
Yes, yes,
How
because
the time, the farming is very hard working and toils.
yes, yes, because ma'am, you know very well that everybody is running behind earning money. You are also running behind earning money, and I am also running behind earning money. And your job is different from my job. Your job is teaching, and my job is also teaching. But my main occupation is doing farming, and but I am happy with my lives because I love my life, and I can also do preparation for the examination of government or either private examination. But I know that my father is also a farmer, and still my father is farming in my village, and my father is also happy with farming, and they have become some old, but I am still happy that I am doing farming because I know everything about the farming because my father is a farmer. So since his childhood up to this time, I have learned a lot of things, and I have got idea from my parents how to do the farming, how to cultivate, and how to use modern technology to produce more and more production in order to decrease the rate of the price. So I know about the marketing, but because I have passion to learn English from the childhood, because starting from childhood up to the class 12, I was studying in Hindi medium. So so after joining this app, no, last year, I am telling about the story of last year. I was not knowing about this Skype app, but before the Durga Puja in 2024, I knew about the about the Skype app, and after that I joined. And last year I never thought that I will speak in the life English, but nowadays I am speaking English.
Yeah, it's a good thing. And you are no a best example of the farmer and a modern civilized person. You are doing your traditional profession very efficiently and you are learning new skills also. So I think it's a good things for our country we are developing. Yeah, so if you have any question, you can ask me.
Yes, yes. I have a question and I have an answer also. So your question was that if the farmer will use insecticide or pesticide, so it will be harmful. Definitely, it will be harmful. Definitely, if you are smoking, if you are just using cigarette and ganja and charas and poisonous and drugs and binds you are taking, so it will affect your health also, and your kidney and your lungs will be affected by using that kind of nefarious gases. So by using no chemical, because if but cow dung I am using in my land, cow dung, but sometimes I use in my land just like urea, potash, DAP, I am having also cow dung because I am not the student or not the habit of anything. So I am just using cow dung, because you know that about the cow dung. I just having 4 and 5 cow, and daily they give cow dung, and just I collected that cow dung, and I just kept I keep that cow dung on a one places, and after 4 months, after keeping that cow dung, they will decompose, and after that I will spread the whole land, and they will become, and that dung will become natural manure. So that I am using. But about what about the poison? I am also using poison. But no, sometimes according to the demand of the market, I am running. As I mentioned you, because you want cheap rate. All people of the market want cheap rate. That I have to go to the market at any cost. If the green grocer, if the vendor will tell 50 rupees per kg, so I will bargaining, and 30 rupees kg I will take. So how it is possible? It is only possible when if I will produce more and more grain, if I will produce more and more vegetables, and more and more vegetables will be produced. Why when if I will spray poison on that land over the crops, only then will be saved. The crops, when the crops will be saved from the insect, so only then I will produce more and more. So if I
Yeah.
will not spray poison over there, so it can't be possible for me.
I can easily understand your, but we should at least think about the land, Mother Earth, who is going to the barren in upcoming years. So, what will happen with our upcoming generation, our upcoming children? So, we should no, there is a no harm to control the no pesticide and insecticide. We should control, but in a calculated way. We are not just to blindly follow, and we should not indulge in a race of the growing more and more wheat and more harvesting. Other than we are making our Mother Earth the barren. And after 100 years and 200 years, the lands will become totally barren. We can't grow a single grass. So that in that manner, we should use organic and manure and vermicompost we can use. We can use the foliage as a compost. We can use leaves we usually get from the plants. And I heard about many times there is also grass we can grow in our own field. So just you are you are doing your work, you are farming in the with the modern technique, so you should also apply the modern technique using the manure. That is I am talking about, because you are a progressive mind of the farmer. And I think definitely you will think about the modern and think about our Mother Earth. So when we are inputting uh, pesticide, the mother is just like earth is just like our mother. We should treat it as a child and our mother. So that is why I am discussing about here. Have you think about the Mother Earth and what will happen in the next upcoming year, and what kind of the side effect, especially on our